n8n is officially dead. Well, at least that's what everyone else is saying right now. And honestly, it's kind of becoming hard to argue with them. Claude Code, Claude Cowork, OpenClaw, Lovable. Every week there's a new AI tool that can build automations and AI agents without you having to touch a single node. So what's even the point of learning a tool like n8n anymore? Well, listen, I've been in the automation space for over 8 years, generated over $25 million in revenue for my clients, and I can see exactly why people would think that n8n is dead. I mean, just look at this. This is n8n versus Claude Code on Google Trends over the past year. And in the last 3 months, the interest in Claude Code has completely taken off, as you can see, like a rocket ship. And right now it's pulling in almost double the search interest. And it's not just Google. Open your YouTube feed right now. Every creator you follow has pivoted towards creating Claude Code content because it's obviously trending right now. That's what gets views. And of course, it's a fantastic tool. Claude Code tutorials, Claude Code comparisons. Claude Code is taking over the world. Claude Code runs my entire business. When that's all you see, your brain does something pretty natural. It assumes that n8n is dead, that everybody's moved on to Claude Code or OpenClaw, and you should probably move on too. And I'm gonna be honest with you, the reason I'm not making every single video about Claude Code like everybody else is pretty simple. My goal with this channel has never been to chase whatever tool is trending this month. My goal is to help non-technical professionals use automation to get ahead in their job or business and simply become irreplaceable and stay ahead of the competition. And when you look at it through that lens, the answer to is n8n dead completely changes. So here's why n8n still matters in my opinion. Well, let's be clear. Yes, Claude Code is awesome. You describe what you want, it writes the code, it writes the content, whatever you're doing, it fixes its own errors. And I use it every single day for a bunch of different tasks. I have different skills and different projects, so I'm not denying any of that. But there are things that n8n does that no coding tool can replace right now. And these are the things that actually matter when you're trying to build production-ready automations for your work. So the first thing is that you can actually see the logic. n8n is visual, and I think that was the appeal for most people getting into this. You can see every step, every trigger. Every decision is laid out on a canvas like a map. So that means with the right documentation, anyone on your team can open it up and understand what the system is doing without needing to understand the code. Now, Claude Code hides that logic in the code. Now, developers can read it, but everyone else has really no idea, including me. So second, your team can maintain it without you. And this is one of the things that kills most code-based automations. The person who built it leaves or gets busy or moves on to a different project. And suddenly nobody can touch the system because nobody understands it. In n8n, someone on your team can literally open the workflow, click a node and change something and hit save. You don't need a software engineer or a developer to understand or tweak the system. You just need good documentation. And third, when something breaks, you can actually find out why. It's pretty straightforward. n8n shows you the execution logs, exactly which node failed, what data came through and where it went wrong. And you can hopefully diagnose a problem in just a few minutes. When it comes to code-based automations, you can get error logs and stack traces. And if you know what you're looking at, great. But most people can't understand a single line of code. And okay, yes, Claude Code can read the logs, but with n8n, it's just not as visible. Number 4, it runs reliably on a schedule without you having to babysit it. So finding qualified leads at 8 AM every morning, or sending follow-up sequences every 36 hours, creating and maintaining weekly reports. n8n was built for work like this. Work that needs to run in the background consistently without anyone touching it. Now, if you still don't believe n8n is the real deal, well, here's an example of what I mean. So one of my students, Cal Hewitt, works in commercial construction and facility management over in Toronto. He's non-technical and has zero coding experience. His company gets slammed with service requests every single day. Each one needs to be categorized, matched to the right contractor in the right area, and dispatched fast. The entire process was manual, 30 to 45 minutes per request. Cal built an n8n workflow that handles everything. So the email comes in, AI categorizes it, the system matches and ranks the right contractor for the job. And then a dispatcher reviews and approves the match before anything goes out, right? Human in the loop. Then the contractor gets notified with all of the job details. And he automated the whole process using AI. And what used to take 30 to 45 minutes for every request is now down to just seconds. This is the part that actually matters. Cal's company asked him to present the system to the board, who are non-technical people, right? People who have never seen an AI automation tool in their lives. And because it was built in n8n, Cal didn't need to explain how the code works. He didn't need to walk them through the scripts and the files. He just pulled up the workflow and walked them through each step of the process. Now, think about that for a second. Cal is not an engineer. He's never written any code. He's a guy who understands the industry extremely well. He saw a problem that was costing his company hours every single day, and he built the solution himself using n8n. And that's what's changed Cal's trajectory. He went from a regular employee to the person his company can't afford to lose, and now getting invited to build more projects for the company. And that's not something that just happens with a Python script. It's only possible with tools like n8n. And the thing is, n8n is actually growing. It's not just Cal. Multi-billion-dollar companies are running real operations on n8n every single day. And it's not Claude Code versus n8n like these other YouTubers are saying. People are already using Claude Code to build n8n workflows through MCPs. I mean, that's how I create most of my workflows in n8n today. So why does every video frame it as one versus the other? Well, because n8n is dead gets more clicks, then these tools work together. That's it. Claude Code has its use cases. n8n, as I've just shown you, has its use cases, and honestly can be a little bit more appealing to enterprise level companies because the tool can be self-hosted. Now, I'm not saying n8n is the only tool you'll ever use. Claude Code is great for building custom softwares or complex AI agents. You can use OpenClaw as your personal AI assistant, but the automations that connect your systems, they run on a schedule, and your whole team can see and understand, n8n is going to be your best bet here. And you can self-host n8n on a VPS for a fraction of what n8n Cloud is going to charge. n8n Cloud is going to cost you $20 a month on Starter and $50 a month on Pro. And you're going to be capped on executions either way. Now, personally, I use Hostinger for all of my VPS needs, which is also the sponsor of today's video. Their VPS plans start from $6, $7 a month, and you get unlimited workflows, unlimited executions with no caps. This means you're going to have complete control over your data. I mean, I run my n8n instance on Hostinger, and they have a simple one-click n8n install that you can run to get started without any issues. In fact, I recorded a full walkthrough video on how to set up your self-hosted account, which I'm going to link below in the description. And you can use my code GrowthLab for 10% off, or you can hit the link in the description if you want to try it out. Anyway, the people who are actually building systems that their companies depend on every day are using n8n, and they're becoming irreplaceable while everyone else is still arguing about the best tool on YouTube. So if you do want to take the next step and level up, in just 16 weeks, I'll take you from zero to AI operator that your company just simply cannot afford to replace. If that sounds interesting to you and you want to find out more information, I'm going to put a link below in the description, and there is a way for you to apply for the next cohort. And if you want the full AI automation roadmap on how to learn AI automations from scratch in 2026, you can watch this video next. Cool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you over there.